Magandang gabi guys. Magkakain na naman tayo ng masarap na ulam. Ulam natin ay adobong pusit guys. Yummy. With para malaway-laway kayo. Yan. Suabe men. Wow. Third time. It's yummy. Okay, let's eat na. So, lagay-lagay rice.
Yummy.
Yummy talaga to. Yan. Walang diet guys. Kamay, mapasok ka. Okay. Thank you Lord. Yan.